So good evening. So we will start in horizontal. So number 1 is shoulder to shoulder, bones to bones, and then number 2 is shoulder to neck,
Bones and bones.
shoulder to neck, and then next is the bas to bas, nipple to nipple, and then number 4 upper bas, and then next is lower bas, and then next is full back, and then next is shoulder to bas, and then next is front shoulder to waist, front shoulder to waist. Saan yung waist mo? Then next is down center to bas, down center to bas, down center to bas. And then next is sleeve length. This is the sleeve length. So before you bend the arm of client, and then you start. So that is, and then next is length of pants. So mag-start ka sa waist and then to ankle, and then next is crouch or rise, zipper, and then bas, so
Buya tal, bien.
so the next is waist. Gawin mo ka waist. This is the waist. And then next, hips. Hips. This is the way hips. That's hips. This is the hips. And then next is sleeve hole.
Buya.
Sleeve hole. Insert into the armpit. And then next is biceps. Sa baba ng armpit. This. So next is the upper arm girt. Align with the armpit of the other. So that is the upper arm. And then leg hole. Baba. So, sa taas ng ankle. So that